Academy, and I'm going to do a little bit of a staff video for you. It's a simple flow you can do with your training by yourself, and something you can do to get you more familiar with the staff and how to use your footwork and body to assist with your attacking and defending. So I'm going to do this left-handed first because I am left-handed, and I'll do it right-handed. So I'm going to start here in a kind of southpaw stance, left hand back on top of the staff this way. You can see I have one hand coming in, one hand going out. Okay? So I'm being this stance. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to step forward to initiate this movement. And when I do this, I'm going to step and turn my foot slightly inward. Okay? So it's not going to be a straight step. It's going to be a turning step. Okay? When I do this, I'm going to turn, and then I'm going to jump around. Okay? So, back foot forward, step forward, jump around. That's the beginning. Okay? You can do this if you're not familiar with how to do that. You can do it with the staff in your hand or without if you need to. Without the staff, you just go in here, step, jumping through. Think of a tornado kick. Okay? So if you're doing a tornado kick, you step and then you throw your kick. Same basic motion. Okay? Bring it back to the staff. We're here. So I step, jump through. You want to make sure that we can land and have solid footing. So we're going to drop stance when we land and we actually do with the staff. So the strike is going to be actually a spinning strike, and we're using the first part to parry, and then we deliver a strike as we take ground. So we're here, we step forward, down. Okay, that's important. So, one more time. Here, first part, step, down. We lift up the backhand, we roll the wrist up so that the palm is facing the sky, and we bring this over our head so that we are just behind the skull, the crown of the head, and that way we are blocking anything that is being delivered diagonally coming this way. Okay, so you can block. A slight adjustment, we can block things that are coming for the horizontal line as well. Okay. One of my favorite blocks. So we're here, we step through, we drop, we bring this around the head. Now we're just gonna step forward with this right foot, step through, and we're gonna basically swing this behind us around, and then pull this back. Okay? So I'll do it right-handed this time. So we're gonna be here, put this right foot back. We're gonna step through, jump, land, down, lift, step through, pull back. Okay? One more time. We're right here, right-handed this time. So the right foot will be back to begin with. We're gonna step through and turn that foot. We're gonna now lift and jump through. Okay? So, step, drop, lift, we roll the left hand palm to the sky. Both palms or both hands will be underneath the staff. We're going behind the head. Step the left foot through and swing. Pull back. So, that's the basic flow. We can add some more things onto that if you'd like at the end. But that's the basics. If you get this stepping through on each side, you can use that in a lot of different ways. You can add on strikes beforehand, so like this, and then come back into that as well. So thank you for watching.